Hello again. So looking up here, we have another problem. Evaluate the following. Volume is equal to s cubed, where s is equal to the length of a side. Area is equal to 6x squared, where again s is equal to the length of a side. We want to evaluate the following. Here we have our cube with all the side lengths written in. All the side lengths are the same. It's a cube. See if you can go ahead and evaluate these. Pause the video. You can work on that for a few minutes, and then you can check and you can see how you did. So looking up here, first off, volume is equal to s cubed. We have a cube. We have a whole bunch of these little number 2's, but really what we're looking for is side length. And the side length is always the same. We have a three-dimensional object. We're going to need a cube up here. We're going to need something times something times something. This is a 3D object. This is a three-dimensional object. So for our first one, I'm going to write over here, volume is equal to s cubed is equal to, the length of all of our sides are 2, is equal to 2 cubed is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. That's what 2 cubed means. 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So hopefully you guys got that one for the first one, for volume. For area, this is looking at our surface area. This is looking at the surface area of the cube is equal to 6 times s squared. Looking at that formula, area or surface area is going to be equal to 6 times s squared is going to be equal to 6 times 2 squared. 2 is our side length, is equal to, we have to do order of operations here, 6 times 2 squared is equal to 6 times 4, and you guys will probably remember that 6 times 4, 6 times 4, what is that, what is that, what is that? Probably going to be equal to something like 24. So hopefully you guys were able to get those answers. Once again, just filling in for our equation here, we know our side lengths are 2, so we can fill in for our s, 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Now, this we can make a little bit more precise. We can say 8 units cubed. It's a 3D object. This we can make just a little bit more precise. We can say 824 units squared. We can make that a little bit more precise, but if you guys can fill in that formula, if you guys can do this, then you're going to be doing really, really well. That's right on par for your standards. We'll see you